So I'm really privileged now to be able to go on a track walk around this track. So while it's lunchtime and no one else is flying, Matt here is going to take me and show me around.
Absolutely. Go for it.
So it is about the size of, it's actually bigger than a swimming pool. Yeah, so it's probably half a football pitch. Oh, these start blocks are 45 degrees angle.
They're whatever you want them to be.
All right.
I mean, some of us have flat ones, some of us have angled ones, but even with the flat ones, we can sort of raise the quad up to a set angle, and it will hold that angle until we go past a certain throttle percentage. So it just all depends on what you want to do and what suits your flying style, really.
So we must be, 20, 30 metres away from actually where you sit and fly, so that you've actually kept quite a distance between you and the start position.
Yes. Yeah, quite important. They do come at us quite fast, these things.
So we're just walking up to the first gate. It's a hoop, and actually they're a lot bigger than they looked from at a distance. I think I might be able to walk under this gate, just.
Yeah, you should be able to. They look a lot smaller, about sort of 50, 60 inches miles.
Yeah, so I just have to duck a little bit to get under this gate, and I could. Yeah, it's probably 8 foot wide. So
that's
it's
the timing system down there. So that's what gives us our lap time. So it'll pick up the frequency of our channels.
Yep.
So when we pass that, it'll give us a lap time.
So everyone's got a different frequency, so it knows who has come through at which time.
There's a set sort of 5, 6 or 7 frequencies, depending on how many pilots are racing in each heat.
Yep. So now we're just following little white spots on the ground and walking the whole width of this pitch round. Have they got names?
Yeah, but you can't broadcast it. Yeah, we should call that one. What do you call it? A pylon.
A pylon. Okay.
So
And let's go on
the pylon.
through another gate, ducking just a little bit. I can see now that they said, "Oh, just follow the white spots," and I couldn't really see them.
So we go around again,
Oh, yep,
and then they come over the top of this one.
yep. So
Another right. Then over the top of this one, we've just gone under.
okay, so it really is a 3D. Yeah, round and round, under this time, over that time.
Over that time, back. What is it? Yeah. So over that way.
Yeah.
Back through that way between the flags. Circle round that flag. Drop down under here.
Okay, yeah. Round another pylon. Yep. So that's taking you out further to the edges of the course.
Yep. And then we go under the TV gate.
The what gate?
Call it a TV gate.
A TV gate.
Yep.
An H gate. Yeah. Yes. So I'm following the white spots, and I'm sort of trying to put in my mind if I'm actually the drone. I'm going under this one and then back over, a hard left, going all the way around. Okay, back out towards the edge of the course again.
Yep.
Okay, we've got a line of spots on the ground, and that's reminding me to go over the next gate.
Yep.
So it's like a U-turn at the end. Yeah, so you've got an up and over. You've got to go over the gate,
Over the gate. And then,
turn round,
yep.
upside down, come back through the gate. Yep. And then follow some more white spots around the edge of the course. Oh, a little bit of a slalom in between some flags.
The top first.
Okay, so we've got another line of spots on the ground, so we must be going over the next gate. So you've got to go over the gate, sharp left, round back on yourself, and through the gate,
And then over the flags.
over some flags. And these flags are much shorter than the other flags. So these flags are only about 6 foot tall. The others are probably 20 foot. Over the top, through, yes, in between the top and the middle bar. Hard right. Through yet another gate. Around a pylon. This is the same TV gate that we started with, isn't it? Yeah. Round and round. I think I've walked 3 miles already.
Yeah.
Okay, over that, straight to another one.
It's a slalom.
Okay.
It's not. It's a straight line.
So really canning. So if you can get the line right, the slalom just actually becomes a straight line, as long as you sort of go between some gates.
You start and finish gate. And then
One lap. And how many laps are in a race?
4. We're doing.
4 laps today. And all that's within 2 minutes of battery life.
Yes, well, as long as you're back. I think we've got up to 3 minutes to finish the race, but
So one whole race of 4 laps is taking less than 3 minutes, which, seeing as it's just taking me about 5-10 minutes to walk around the course, it's pretty impressive. So I've just heard that so far this morning, the top pilot has just done that in 1 minute 11, and Matt, who I'm walking with, says that he did it a minute slower than that. So 2 minutes 11. And I think even 2 minutes 11 is quick.